I don't know this platform is what to do. I just want to practice my spoken English.
I'm here to practice my spoken English too.
Oh, okay. Could you help me to practice my spoken English?
Sure.
Just like the last one.
Okay.
I'm a little nervous because my
Don't
spoken
worry.
English is not so well.
I'm a teacher. I'm a professional. I will help you. Tell us a little bit about you.
I am a Chinese teacher and a piano teacher. My hobby is playing the piano and play basketball and badminton. I like making friends.
Are you new on HelloTalk?
Yes, only 5 or 6 days.
Do you like the app?
Yes, I think it is friendly, and many people is friendly to talk to me.
I am friendly too.
Yes, you are right.
Do you want me to help you in
Yes,
English?
of course.
Okay. I will give you the number one rule for you. What is this?
Think.
Good job. You passed. A plus.
Oh, okay.
Earlier, you said think.
Think.
Think. Great job. Great job. What's
Thank
your
you.
name?
Chinese name or English name?
Your Chinese name.
My Chinese name is Song Xin-le.
What do people call you?
People call you Le.
Can I call you Lila?
Of course.
You can call me Vaifullah Ahmed Nu'man Qasim Sa'duddin Ali al-Qur'i.
I don't understand. Excuse me.
Yeah, my name is long.
So, what could I call you?
You can call me
teacher?
Dave.
Dave.
Yep. Hello, Lila.
Hello, Dave.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?